How to lock Instagram profile picture. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Log into your account and then click on your profile located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then simply click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down to Account Privacy. Below Private Account, you'll find Profile Picture Expansion button. This is not available on my device. It may be available on your device or on your version of this application. And if you simply turn off Profile Expansion, you're good to go. This is how to lock Instagram profile picture. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophie signing off until next time.